You're off to a great start with online sales, but have you considered making your customer experience even better? That's exactly what we're diving into in this video. This is one that you can't miss if you have an e-commerce business. So let's make your customer experience the best it can be. Did you know that most of our purchasing decisions are based on feelings and emotions, not just logic? If you want happy customers who will stick around and spread the word, you need to prioritize customer experience. Sure, Google Analytics can track user experience, but it doesn't give you the full picture of how customers actually feel. In this experience-driven economy, it's important to make every interaction count, provide a seamless customer experience from start to finish. So let's make sure your e-commerce business puts customer experience front and center. Here's how. Give your website a warm and welcoming makeover. Make sure it's easy on the eyes, simple to navigate, and super smooth to use. Speed is key. No one likes to wait around, so ensure that your website loads lightning fast. It'll keep your customers happy and cut down abandoned carts. Personal touch always wins. Offer product recommendations based on what your customers have bought or browsed before and make their shopping experience extra special. Don't forget the mobile crowd. More and more people are shopping on their phones, so make sure your website is optimized for mobile devices. It's estimated that over 80% of internet users have made a purchase online using their mobile devices. This number continues to grow as more and more people adopt mobile shopping as a convenient and efficient way to shop. Give your customers all the info they need. Include detailed product descriptions, eye-catching images, and honest customer reviews. Offer plenty of payment options, credit or debit cards, PayPal, and other options. The more the merrier. Make checkout a breeze. Simplify the process by streamlining it and make sure the instructions are clear and easy to follow. And be there for your customers. Have a comprehensive FAQ section and live chat support ready to answer any questions they may have. Having a great customer experience is key to building a loyal customer base, and this includes having the right people on your team. You can hire your customer support offshore to help you create an unforgettable experience for your customers. Hiring staff offshore can improve e-commerce experience by providing you access to extremely competent staff while enjoying the lower labor costs. Hiring professionals can lead to increased efficiency and improved customer service as offshore staff can handle customer inquiries and support around the clock, providing faster response times and resolution to customer issues. Additionally, outsourcing certain tasks to specialized staff can also lead to improved quality and expertise in certain areas apart from customer experience, leading to improved sales. Is your business tired of spending too much time and money on admin tasks? Then outsourcing is for you. With outsourcing, you can save up to 70% on staff costs, access to world-class professionals, and focus on growing your business. Get 3 free codes now. Implementing these strategies can lead to a better e-commerce experience for customers, which can increase customer satisfaction, loyalty, and ultimately sales. Outsource Accelerator gives you the scoop on what to search for in outsourcing firms that can assist you in building a platform for an amazing customer journey. So check out our website to learn more. If this video has been valuable to you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to check the rest of our videos on our channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.